Mutenyi ogatatokero mwakense ngima yekonyara kobage gochengera rituko riria ryobochenu bwomonwa ase byombe aho nabo igo chinya gitari chiko esokia nabo igo kwenekia chianyare koba chikwena na maigerio igoro yobochenu bwomonwa ime county ya Kisii nigo enyagitari ya Nova Prime Health Dental banyara koba bagwesoke na kubwaterana mone kiombe gose company area Colgate na guikirana asenga ya bana ya jogo yego toka sobo katakati umuchobo songo banyara ko bagusanga amona bana abugwetera kwena na amaigerio ao igoro yechinjira abaranyara ko bakorinda obochenu bomonwa anene amaino nigobo igo ekiombe kyo nyakali banyara ko bakubwato ko bokoni ao ochiase abana abugati yabo kwene kinga banyara ko bakubatigera eliogoria maine libaranyara ko bakogendera gutumeka buna omuliki oitonde mo Steven akonyara ko gagutomanya.
Now today is 20th of March and it is World Oral Health Day, where we are celebrating a healthy mouth. And a healthy mouth is a mouth that is free of oral diseases, mostly free of caries, free of gum diseases, a mouth that doesn't have any form of bleeding, mouth that doesn't have bad breath and such.
Rero kobari tukoria nsengima kumulekera obochenu bwemenwa enyagetari ya Nova Prime gekubwatirana na Colgate nigo batalire nka ya bana ya jogo bosongo.
We decided to come here to a children's home to offer our services to the less fortunate in the society, and that is why we picked this particular children's home, and we picked the children, mostly they're below the age of 10. So we were blessed to have some little donations from Colgate. Those are the things that we have distributed to these children, and we have shown them how to brush their teeth. We have actually brushed together.
It's important that we have received a very good daktari who offered to give back to the society by choosing our institution as the only place to give that service. I think we appreciate her so much for this, and we want other people to emulate this kind of gesture that is given to us. Not all doctors are coming here. In fact, for oral, I think we have only 2. Now you're the second person coming back to this country.
Asomuroberi bweri tuko nigo basemia bana chinchira chyo kwerenda emenwa na mainabo. Dani chinga kiechio nigo barira bunoyo mwasa abantu batata banene niginga kiya mabatwarire mechando ya mainabo ukoboria kwa bobono na abantu utarira chinya gitari chia maino kerengaki bunenchira yo kwerinda na gwetanga ne mechando ya maino.
And when it comes to children, for children it's even worse because it's almost at 50% of all the children that we have. So you can imagine if you have maybe 10 children in a room, 5 of them have active caries cavities. I think it is very sad because most of the time you find the parents don't know, they're ignorant, they don't know when to start cleaning the oral cavity, they don't know how to do it, and some of them think that when a child is at the age of 4, age of 5, they are old enough to take care of their mouths. And so that is the time that I take with the parents to teach them, to let them know the importance of getting involved in keeping the mouths of their children clean.
Koripoteria Ndizi TV korwa nsemo ya jogo egotoka ime ya bosongo eri atariane Ndemo Steven.